The Xiaomi 17 Ultra 5G is shaping up to be one of Xiaomi's most ambitious flagship smartphones yet, positioned at the top of the 17 series with cutting-edge performance, imaging, and connectivity. It is expected to debut in late 2025 with a wider global rollout in early 2026, running Android 16 with HyperOS 3 and offering full 5G and Wi-Fi 7 support for ultra-fast connectivity. Under the hood, the device is rumored to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and generous storage options, ensuring flagship-level speed and responsiveness. The camera system is expected to be a major highlight, featuring a Leica-tuned setup led by a 200MP main sensor, complemented by advanced ultra-wide and telephoto lenses designed for excellent low-light and zoom performance. A large high-quality display combined with a long-lasting battery, fast charging, and wireless charging further reinforces its premium positioning, making the Xiaomi 17 Ultra 5G a serious flagship contender capable of rivaling the best devices from Samsung and Apple.